Hello, my name is Ernie, and I would like for you to subscribe to the channel and maybe even go down below and hit that like button. John is a really good guy, and he's put out a whole bunch of videos, and he would like to eventually get to 10,000 subscribers. And if you subscribe, you can help him make his wish come true. Anyways, anybody that's out there watching this video, welcome back to the channel. My name is John, and this is Megan, and together we are the dynamic duo of Rad Relics. We own a pop culture shop. We've been selling on eBay for a really long time, and today, oh boy, did we sell a lot of stuff. Got a couple really nice home runs. At least I think they're home runs. Anything over $100 bucks for me is a home run. So we're going to jump right into this video. And the first item that we've got, my lovely assistant is going to show us what they are.
Some car parts.
It's just some car parts. Looks like some kind of hood latches. Hood latches. How much do they sell for?
$30 plus shipping.
$30? That's freaking awesome. $30 plus shipping. That's pretty cool. The next item that we have here is this Ted Simmons bobblehead. Pretty awesome. How much did it sell for? Nice St. Louis Cardinals item. Go Cardinals, boo Cubs. I do sell Cubs jerseys upstairs in my store, though. The next item that we had here, I battled back and forth with whoever was, I mean, they just kept making, they made like the first offer was $5. They made like their fourth offer was like $10 and something. And I'm finally like, just take it. Just, yours. Enjoy it. Wait, how much did it sell for?
$10.65 plus shipping.
$10.65 plus shipping. I had it listed for $14. I shouldn't have had a best offer on it, but I did. But it sold, and I'm happy. Next item that we have right here is a pair of these going to town breeches. You put these breeches on when you're going to town because they're fancy breeches. And they sold for how much?
$80 plus shipping.
$80 for some fancy breeches. I'm telling you what, you'll be the finest looking cowboy at the rodeo wearing those. Next item that we have here is this Turtle Bay hat. That's super cool. Nice little Velcro back. We can't use the word Velcro on eBay because they'll come after you and they'll take your firstborn child and they'll put you in the hoosecow. The hoosecow is hillbilly from prison.
It's $9 plus shipping.
It sold for $9 plus shipping. Next item we have is this really nice belt. You can't see it because it's in a bag. I didn't want the belt to get dirty or scratched. How much did it sell for?
$20 plus shipping.
$20. That's why I didn't want it to get shipped. I do want it to get shipped, and that's her job. That's what she does. Woo! We got this right here. We got this big old fun house ticket sign. Got a clown on it. How much did it sell for?
$130 plus shipping.
$130 plus shipping. I want to say I paid somewhere in the neighborhood of $30 for it. Nice sign. I'm glad it's going to a good home. Next item that we have here is a Fossil watch. Let me get it in camera. Nice watch. Sold for
$25 plus shipping.
$25 plus shipping. Some more of this Cloud9 stuff that we sourced at a salvage grocery store. How much did it sell for?
$10 plus shipping.
$10 plus shipping. Woo! We got another good one here. We got Darth Vader Cincy here. I bought a bunch of these for my Aunt Rosie. If you're watching Aunt Rosie, we love you. And I bought a bunch. She's a Cincy consultant. I'll put her little thing up here on the screen. If you guys buy Cincy, get some from Aunt Rosie. She's pretty awesome. And I don't know how much it sold for. What did it sell for, Francis?
$140 plus shipping.
$140 plus shipping. That's absolutely insane. I think I paid like $80 or $90 for it.
Don't know the power of the dark side.
Woo! We got the Basic B eyeshadow. It sold for probably $16. I've got a little package of these little Zippo knives. If you notice, I like to put everything in little baggy bags. It helps. It's a really good tip. It's good for your organizational skills when you're trying to lot stuff together. You can buy these at like Walmart, or you can buy them from the Dollar Tree. Has some pretty cheap as well. So be sure to bag your stuff together. How much did they sell for?
Those were $10 plus shipping.
$10 plus shipping. Here is a CB belt buckle. This is in a little Ziploc bag. Bought at Walmart. We're not sponsored by Walmart. We're not affiliated with them in any way. But we got this nice little CB belt buckle. How much did it sell for?
$7 plus shipping.
$7 plus shipping. I'll sell that cheap stuff. People will be like, don't waste your time selling them $7 items. If you notice, we probably made $40 today selling them $10 plus or $10 negative items. I'll take them. I'll take all that monies. Going to the new international program, which is really cool. We sell a lot of stuff through that.
A lot more through
Yeah,
that than we do
that
through
has
GS.
really helped improve our sales. The next item that I have here is this Wilton little C-clamp. I bought this in an auction, came in a box of stuff. I didn't know that there was a lot of value to this stuff, and I'm still learning. Tools is something that I could really up my game on because I live in Hillbillyville, USA, the armpit of America, and there are a lot of tools when you go out yard sailing and stuff like that. And how much did this sell for?
15 plus shipping.
$15 plus shipping. We've got these tag spreaders here. They sold for how much?
10 plus shipping.
$10 plus shipping. Looks like little twiggies there. Hello, my name is Ernie, and I would like for you to subscribe to the channel and maybe even go down below and hit that like button. John is a really good guy, and he's put out a whole bunch of videos, and he would like to eventually get to 10,000 subscribers. And if you subscribe, you can help him make his wish come true. We've got Ernie here. How much he sell for?
$10 plus shipping.
$10 plus shipping. Sorry, Ernie, let me pull my hand out of your backside. Pretty cool. Love puppets. Whoa. Oh, I can't do that. I can't do that. Looky here. We've got a Fu Manchu face. It's nice. I like it a lot. I love this thing, actually. It's pretty cool. It's made in Taiwan. It's a Taiwan base. I love it. And it's pretty cool. How much did it sell for?
$13.45.
He kissed you. He said you good. You good people. He said you subscribe to channel. Sorry. I'm not meaning anything negative about it. Just funny. We have a little Jeep here. It's a little red Bronco or whatever. In a bag, if you notice. Keep it from getting damaged. Love bags. I'm kind of weird like that. But of course I have like mental issues, if you don't know that. If you've watched me for any amount of time, you know. And it's easier to find stuff when it's in a bag. It doesn't fall down into cracks and crevices. I don't know. I guess it still could. But how much did it sell for?
19 plus shipping.
19 plus shipping, and it's got the real riders on it, the rubber tires. That's super cool. I love that. The next item that we got is from the church book sale, yard sale that we went to. And this is the Bible exposition commentary. It is for the Old Testament and the prophets. We're into making profits here, but not the same kind of profits. This is brand new, sealed. I paid like $1 for it. How much did it sell for?
10 plus shipping.
$10 plus shipping. $1 into $10. I like doing that. It's like magic. Next item that we have here is an old pinup magazine from the 1950s. I think it might be like 57. It's an old gaze magazine, and not the type of gaze that we see today, but like apparently like looking gaze magazine. Kind of cool, and kind of risque for back in the day. How much did it sell for?
16 plus shipping.
$16 plus shipping.
4.
We had 4 of these. We're selling the last one. These mid-century modern lights. They're really cool. They got like little holes in them, so when they're turned on at night, it'll put little spots all over your room. Love it. How much did it sell for?
30 plus shipping.
$30 plus shipping. Don't be sleeping on lights, people. They'll give you a kink in your neck. But you won't make any money either. You'll wreck them. We've got the game. We've got Hunter Hearst Helmsley, Triple H, on the cover of this World of Wrestling magazine. It didn't sell for much. I got a story about a wrestling magazine at the end of this video, so you better stay around because it's pretty funny. We got a negative feedback. I'm going to leave you on that cliffhanger. How much did it sell for?
$4.
$4. Hope that one don't turn out like the other one. Woo, we got one of them CDs by the Bob Dylan. I've never been a big fan of the Bob Dylan, but how much did it sell for?
It was $4.
This ain't no tribute. It was $4. $4 for a Bob Dylan CD. We're just giving stuff away here at Rad Relics. It's a fire sale. We're one of them furniture stores that are going out of business for the 100th time. Rad Relics, I'm telling you, that's a secret, folks. We're going out of business. We're all going out of business. It's a fire sale. Everything must go. Rock bottom prices. Know your role.
What is your name? I told you.
It doesn't matter what your name is.
You should have went the other way because now we're into all the cheap stuff.
I know everybody's going to click away from the video, but you can't click away because you're going to miss the good story that I'm going to tell you. Sold the VeggieTales, and it sold for how much?
$6 plus shipping.
$6 plus shipping. We've got a Camaro Hot Wheel. How much did it sell for?
$5 plus shipping.
$5 plus shipping.
A CD.
We've got this Gary Stewart CD. How much did it sell for?
$5 plus shipping.
$5 plus shipping.
Girl.
I've got this autographed dude here that played basketball for some team out in Oklahoma, the Timberwolves or whatever.
Minnesota Timberwolves.
Well, but I think they moved to Oklahoma and they changed their name.
Or did they?
I don't remember, but it's okay. How much did it sell for?
$13.45 plus shipping.
$13.45 plus shipping.
And the last thing is speakers.
We got a set of these speakers over here. These are nice Infinity bookshelf speakers. I almost kept them for myself. They're gorgeous. And how much did they sell for?
$80 plus shipping.
They sold for $80 plus shipping. You can't go wrong with that. And we're going to start packaging stuff up. We're going to talk to you about our negative feedback. Okay, I want to tell you a little story about negative feedback that we got on eBay. We had actually sold a wrestling magazine to a guy. He had sent us some lowball offers and was doing kind of that, what I like to call that tight-ass shenanigan type thing, trying to get it cheap as possible. Long story short, he gets it, and there's a problem with it. Now, I looked through each of these magazines as I photographed it and took multiple photographs of them. And his had water damage, this mysterious water damage that has showed up. And I don't know, it's an old magazine, 30 years old. I looked at the pictures he sent and I really couldn't see a whole lot. But he was unhappy, so we sent him a message and we said, well, here's what we'll do for you. We can either give you a partial refund or you can send the item back. It doesn't matter. What would you like? Well, in my brain, I was like, you know what I'm going to do? I don't want to deal with this guy anymore, so I'm going to go block him. So I learned a valuable lesson, and that lesson is never block a buyer until you have completed your transaction with them. He left us a negative feedback stating that he couldn't contact us anymore, that we had blocked him. But I got this weird feeling that he probably went and tried to buy another item from us. And to make a long story short, he ended up realizing that he couldn't, so he just got mad and left us negative feedback. Have any of you heard anything like that before, that if you block someone that you've had a transaction with, they can no longer communicate with you? I don't think so. I think the magazine was perfectly fine. He left negative feedback. He never opened up a case to return it. I think he was just fishing. He was on a little fishing expedition for a little bit more greens back in his pocket. And when he got caught, he just left us negative feedback because, you know, on eBay, that's what, I almost said a bad word. That's what poopy buyers do. They just go to that negative feedback. So I'll wear it. It's a badge of honor. It don't matter. 100% feedback. We've got 27,000 of those feedbacks. And I don't think anyone's going to look at our one negative feedback and go, I'm not buying from them. But if they do, that's okay. I don't want their money anyways. They can go buy from someone else. That's pretty much all the video. I want to thank you guys for watching. I want to say that I do have a new channel, that it is just me doing unboxings and talking about my store. And you can go down below and I'll have it linked to the top of this video. And if you want to follow me over there for more content, I'm going to be doing the same amount of content that I'm doing on this channel, but I'm going to be putting out stuff about collectibles and stuff like that. So if you're interested in that stuff, if you like my sense of humor, be sure to go over there and check it out. You guys have a good day, and God bless.